Hi, I'm Andrew, and today we'll be discussing how the political system in the Democratic Republic of Congo affects its agricultural sustainability.
Hi, I'm Suprabhas, and we'll be discussing the justification, the issue, the causes and effects, and our proposed solutions to fix the problem in the Democratic Republic of Congo.
The Democratic Republic of Congo will be in grave danger because the country's citizens are hungry. There is believed to be more than 100 armed groups in the east of the DRC that has displaced over 4.5 million people, causing the need for 16 million UN peacekeepers. As a result of the weak government and total chaos, the people of DRC are starving and impoverished. Because of everything going on, the country will soon face a major collapse that will not only affect the DRC, but will also become a world issue.
The issue. 1/10 of the Democratic Republic of Congo's population is severely food insecure and/or internally displaced. The food insecurity alone increased by 30% in the past year. Half of these people live in the Kasai region of the Democratic Republic of Congo. Now, 1/8 of DRC's arable land is cultivated, while the rest of it remains untouched. A large reason for this is the number of armed groups patrolling the area. The government is unable to help its people or protect them from these groups. Now, this is a problem because agriculture makes up 18% of DRC's GDP and 60% of its labor force. As you can tell, agriculture is a big part of DRC's economy. My proposed solution is to use more of DRC's available land to grow crops. As of right now, only 10 million hectares are being used. Now, DRC has 80 million. If, for say, 20 million more hectares were to be used, then the amount of crop growth will be greatly increased. This, in turn, would feed a lot more of DRC's impoverished people, as well as help feed the countries around it. DRC's land has the potential to feed all of Africa if all of the arable land was cultivated. Now, there's obviously still the problem of these groups. So the government needs to bring in some forces and have the UN use their peacekeepers and help drive out these armed groups so that the people can live in peace and grow a lot more crops for them and the neighboring countries. This would also greatly impact DRC's economy because now their GDP increases as well as the percentage of their economy that agriculture makes, because mining is the biggest reason. But now, if these hectares are used, then the amount of arable land and the amount of money made off the agriculture all increase.
So my proposed solution is a little bit shorter than Suprabhas's, but it's to first improve the current internal transportation system in the DRC. Right now, the internal transportation system is flawed due to the armed groups terrorizing the streets, meaning that the food needed to get transported is not being transported. But before fixing the transportation issue, the Democratic Republic of Congo needs to use more of their unused land, which could provide more food for themselves as well as food for the rest of Africa.
Thank you for listening, and I hope you guys understand the problems that the Democratic Republic of Congo now faces.
I'm Andrew Puckett. Thanks for listening.